Good day, everybody. Today, we are going to be looking at a very interesting topic which I know some of us might find amusing. Today, we are going to be looking at how possible it is for us to check network profile from the Wi-Fi networks which we have connected to from our computer. Now, to do this, we are going to open up a command prompt. We use the shortcut key, Windows R, and you type CMD in this little box here. When your Windows prompt comes up, alright, I just zoomed in so you could have a clear view. Now, we have to go into a network environment on our command prompt. And to do this, you just have to get connected to a network so that we could show off the remaining parts. Now on the command prompt, all we have to do is type in net sh, hit enter. This will take us into our network environment from the command prompt. And the next thing we'll want to do is to see some available commands you can execute on this terminal. At this point, you could just type a question mark, hit enter, see a whole list of commands that we can execute. But what we are very interested in is the wireless LAN, which is this. So next, type WLAN and hit enter. Now we are into the wireless LAN environment, and the same thing, you could as well type a question mark, hit enter to see other available commands. So what we are going to do now is we want to view available profiles on our wireless LAN. And to do that, we are going to use the show command. Now, type show profile and hit enter. This will show us all the available networks which we have connected to something. These are all the networks I have connected to, as you can see. So all I have to do is to go into one network and check for the information on that network. Alright, for instance, if you have connected to a network already which you are currently using, instead of going through all the profiles, you could simply type show network. This will show that I am connected to my phone. Alright, and you can see that this is the authentication method my phone is using, the WPA2 password. And in this case, how do I see the password on my phone? Alright, to do that, very easy. Next thing we will do is we can view more information about this phone. So type in the name of the network in your own case. So it gives us more information about the network I'm connected to, which is on my phone. But we can see that we can't view the password yet. Okay, so what we want to do is check more information on that phone. Now to do that, we simply type show profiles. And this will give us a more illustrated information on our phone. Or we could see that the security key is not still showing. So what do? We have to now put in a key clear command that would enable us to see the key in plain text. Now at this point, we simply call back the last line of command and then add key equals clear. And at this point, it will show us the key or the password of the phone. Now this is the password which my phone is using on my Wi-Fi. So I believe you have learned something. And at this point, if you want to go back to your normal command prompt, all you have to just do is type quit and hit enter. And that takes you back to your normal command prompt. And if you want to clear your screen as usual, type CLS. Alright guys, thanks for this lovely moment. Wish to see you next time. Cheers.